Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pet hair vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Reach Full-Size Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum offers impressive performance for its price point, making it ideal for users on a tighter budget who still need reliable pet hair pickup. Key features include a triple-action brush roll and scatter-free technology, which make cleaning pet hair from carpets, stairs, and upholstery quick and efficient. It also comes with a quick-release extension wand for above-floor cleaning, and edge-to-edge cleaning capabilities ensure you won't miss any corners or tight spaces. In terms of design, the CleanView Swivel Pet Reach is lightweight and easy to maneuver thanks to its swivel steering. While it doesn't offer the premium build of higher-end models, its durable plastic frame holds up well under regular use. The specialized pet tools included, such as the Pet Turbo Eraser tool, are great for tackling embedded hair on furniture and stairs. However, the vacuum is relatively loud at 80 dB and may not be ideal for those seeking quieter operation. Overall, this vacuum delivers solid performance for a relatively low price, making it a fantastic entry-level option for pet owners. Its ease of use and versatile attachments make it perfect for small to medium-sized homes. On the downside, it lacks HEPA filtration, so it might not be the best choice for allergy sufferers. But for under $100, it's hard to beat the value this vacuum offers. Coming in at number 4 is the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Vacuum. This model is a step up from budget options, offering a large 1-liter dirt tank capacity and a triple-action brush roll that loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair with ease. Its multi-surface cleaning feature, combined with scatter-free technology, allows you to transition seamlessly between carpets and hard floors without leaving behind debris. The swivel steering is a standout feature, enabling smooth maneuverability around furniture and obstacles. The design is sturdy but lightweight at just 12.5 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. The vacuum also includes specialized pet tools for tackling hair on furniture and stairs, further adding to its versatility. While the 6-foot hose is helpful for above-floor cleaning, it's shorter than some competitors, which might limit reach in larger spaces. Noise levels are around 80 dB, so it's not the quietest option, but it's tolerable for most users. For $119.99, this vacuum offers a balance of affordability and performance. It's an excellent choice for pet owners who need a reliable, mid-range vacuum for tackling daily messes. The lack of HEPA filtration might be a drawback for allergy sufferers, but its powerful suction and maneuverability make it a worthy contender in this list. Securing the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. This compact, cordless vacuum is designed for convenience and portability, making it perfect for cleaning pet hair in cars, stairs, and furniture. It features a powerful 14V lithium-ion battery that provides up to 17 minutes of runtime, along with a motorized brush tool that excels at lifting embedded hair and dirt. The triple-level filtration system ensures improved cleaning performance, while the easy empty dirt bin simplifies disposal. Weighing just 3 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. Its ergonomic design and included attachments, such as the upholstery and crevice tools, enhance its versatility for tackling tight spaces and delicate fabrics. However, the 480-minute charging time might feel like a drawback for users who need frequent cleaning sessions. The noise level is relatively quiet at 70 dB, making it one of the least disruptive vacuums on this list. For $79.95, this vacuum is the ultimate budget option for pet owners who need a secondary vacuum for quick, targeted cleanups. It's compact, portable, and efficient, although its limited runtime and small dirt capacity might not suit larger cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a cordless solution to complement your main vacuum, this is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Lift-Off Vacuum. This premium vacuum combines power, versatility, and advanced features to deliver top-notch performance for pet owners. The FurGuard self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap, while the lift-off detachable pod offers effortless cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. The sealed HEPA allergen system traps allergens and dust, making it ideal for households with allergy sufferers. The design is both functional and stylish, with a cobalt blue finish. Though heavier, at 18.91 pounds, the vacuum compensates with its sturdy build and ergonomic handle. The 7-foot hose length and specialized pet tools, including the Turbo Brush Pivot Tool and LED Lit Crevice Tool, make it incredibly versatile for tackling various surfaces. While it's not cordless, the powerful suction and efficient cleaning path more than make up for it. Priced at $189.49, this vacuum is the ultimate solution for pet owners seeking premium performance. Its robust features and advanced filtration system justify the higher price tag, making it perfect for large homes with multiple pets. The only downsides are its weight and slightly louder operation, 80 decibels, but its overall cleaning capabilities and durability make it the best option on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.